Hello everyone, this video is about KT200 ECU Programmer clone ECU Data in Jtag mode. Today we will show how to read and write ECU data and test the TOYOTA-DENSO. Firstly, open the KT200 ECU Programmer software. Click Select Driver and BDM/Jtag. Then, select ECU information. And click Info. According to the ECU information, select DENSO 275,036 to 4,520 in the list to get the wiring diagram. Usually, your ECU edge will show the number, as the picture shows. We need to connect the ECU with the transfer cables via a wiring diagram. This is the ECU wired up by our ChipTuningKit technicians. Then, we connect the ECU and KT200 ECU Programmer through pinout line and transfer cables. After the connection, click OK. Click Connect and wait for the connection to succeed. Create a new folder on the desktop. Now we are ready to start reading the data in the ECU. Then click Read All to select the save path and save it to the newly created folder on the desktop. When you select to read ECU data, turn on the power. Please wait patiently until the data is read completely. Save the ECU data read by KT200 ECU Programmer in the newly created folder. Now let's change to a new ECU for connection, and select Write int flash micro and Write EEPROM to write separately. Attention! Please select Write int flash micro and Write EEPROM to write separately. Write your modified ECU data separately and wait patiently for the writing to complete. For more information of ChipTuningKit, KT200 ECU Programmer, please visit www.ChipTuningKit.com. In the next video, we will test reading and writing ECU data in boot. See you in the next video. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe and I like. Welcome to express your opinion in the comment area.